things started with the...
Pre-show safety announcements.
And because it's our 70th anniversary, we promise to make it fun, entertaining, and...
legally compliant.
And before World of Color, starting now.
Okay, Sam, you're on.
Honored guests, we are gathered here this evening to witness the great Disneyland tradition of the nighttime spectacular.
Get it, Paul.
Oh yeah! In just a few more minutes, it begins. World of Color! The lights over Paradise Bay will dim. Do not wonder, and please remain right where you are for your safety and others. It's imperative that everyone enjoys the show safely. So sing and dance and have some fun, but don't jump in the bay, please.
Don't jump in the bay? Well, no one said don't jump over the bay. That could be perfect for my stunt spectacular.
Wait a second, Gonzo. That sounds kind of dangerous.
Still from legal. The message was delivered, but obviously not received. Please repeat.
But Sam just left. Dr. T, perfect. I need the Electric Mayhem to sing these safety guidelines.
Deepest ramifications, Froggy. But we have indeed misplaced one extraordinary and spectacular drummer.
Yeah, we can't find animal anywhere. Kermit, running out of time.
Roll. Pick up the tempo.
Sure, we go faster.
Okay, now who is going to sing this?
What is going on here? Where are all the bats? Come on, give it all you got. That's all you got? I said more! All right, let's get this over with. Legal, speaking, blah, 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 don't jump in the bay. Jump in the bay.
Regrettably, legal schmiegel is not recognized by our judicial system. We're going to need that again with clarity.
Didn't have us.
Okay, I need someone to sing this a little faster and a lot more clearly.
Not clear.
Come on, Mickey. I think you have a lovely singing voice.
Okay, none of that was clear.
No, it was not.
You know this lagoon has 1,200 mountains? Talk about a multifaceted show! Waka waka!
Pardon the interruption. Nope.
45 seconds.
Okay, time for the big finish. Everyone, all together. You too, audience.
And don't jump in the bay, please.
I'm okay.
Huh, the eagle was right. That really was a spectacular. A spectacular disappointment. You're all what?
Despite these mixed messages, the Muppet Studio does not condone, encourage, or advise entering the bay via jumping, leaping, or cannon. Now, if you're thinking of ignoring these legal guidelines, as an attorney, I'd advise you to quit it. Or should I say, acquit it.